Don't start your day with the broken pieces of yesterday. Every morning we wake up is the first day of the rest of our life. I repeat, don't start your day with the broken pieces of yesterday. Every morning we wake up is the first day of the rest of our life. Good morning, students, and welcome to your English language class 5. Today we shall learn Unit 23, Punctuation and Uses of Capital Letters. Capital letters. All the sentences begin with capital letters. We enjoyed reading the book. Those girls finished cleaning the counter. So we and those has begin with the capital letter. So all sentences begin with capital letter. We use capital letters for names like Mary, England, London, months, January, February, days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, at the beginning of a sentence like I like apples, after full stop, Mary likes apple, she eats 5 apples a day. Postcodes NW6 7UJ. To remember, you need capital letters where all chips. Example chips, calendar words like days of the week, months of the year. H, holidays like Christmas, then Easter and government holidays. I by itself, my dog and I play football like for sentences. P, names of people, pets and places like Australia, Mary, pets like Tommy, etc. S, beginning of a sentence, the boy laughed out loud. So we use a capital letter. So one example to remember where we use capital letters is chips. C stands for calendar words, H stands for holiday, I stand for sentences. I beginning the sentence with I, and P stands for names of people, pets and places. S stands for beginning of the sentence. Let's see what's given in our text. Punctuation and uses of capital letters. The most common sign or marks of punctuation are comma, B is semicolon, dot and a comma, colon, 2 dots, full stop, just 1 dot, question mark, mark of exclamation, quotation marks. The comma marks the shortest pause. It is used in 4 ways to separate a series of words of the same part of a speech like as, Ali, Afzal, Raman and Sohan met me on the road. We are separating a series of words. He lived a noble, honest and pious life. Separating a series of words. Then before and after the words in position, Ashok, the wisest of the Indian kings, ruled nobly. There we are showing where commas are used. Delhi, comma, the capital of India, comma, stands on the Yamuna. To mark the name of a person addressed, Sheila, shut the door, Raman, comma, come here. Whenever a brief pause is required in a sentence, first, early rising makes us healthy. However rich he may be, he cannot be happy. So here we use commas. Next, semicolons. Where do we use semicolons? Marks a greater pause than that indicates by a comma. Semicolon is greater than comma. It's used to separate a series of clauses like I came, I saw, I conquered, I laugh, I run, I leap, I sing for joy. The colon indicates a greater pause than that shown by a semicolon. It is not much used now except the mark of a direct quotation as Keats says, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. The full stop is placed at the end of the assertive or imperative sentence as, honesty is the best policy. Wait for me till I return. This is a full stop where there is assertive or imperative sentence. Note, sometimes an exclamation mark is placed at the end of short imperative sentence as stand up, be quiet, stop, don't shout. The question mark is used at the end of an interrogative sentence as how do you do, how old are you. The mark of exclamation is used after an exclamatory sentence as well done, what luck, how it rains, look out. The quotation mark or inverted commas are used to mark off the exact word of a speaker as the teacher said, workers worship, I am tired of this life, she said. So where it is used? When we have the exact word of the speaker. Like the direct speeches. In the direct speeches, we use many quotation marks or inverted commas. Capital letters. A capital letter is used to begin every new sentence. Proper nouns, words such as the first word of the sentence put in and the first word of every line of the poetry. Let's see. Every new sentence like he came to see me last night, full stop, but I was not at home. Proper nouns. Rama lives in Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. Aftab died on Wednesday, 1st February 2010. So names of person, places, months, weeks are used capital letters. Proper nouns. Words such as oh, God, I, alas. The first word of the sentence put within inverted commas as she said, inverted commas. This lesson is hard to learn. The first word of every line of the poetry as work while you work, play while you play. Study carefully the following example. Do you remember, uncle, you said to me the other day, when you pass your examination, I shall give you a gold watch. Punctuate the passage now. This is given, but there are no capital letters put. Let's punctuate it. Let's put capital letters also and punctuate it also. Do you remember, comma, uncle, capital U, comma, you said to me the other day, comma, when you pass your examination, I shall give you a gold watch, question mark, and inverted commas. I shall once more repeat to you about the first thing. The commas is the shortest pause. It is used in the first to separate the series of words, second before and after the words in opposition, third to mark the name of the person addressed, fourth whenever a brief pause is required in a sentence. Okay, students? I hope you have understood this capital letters uses and the comma signs where we have to punctuate, punctuation and uses of capital letter. How many punctuation signs are there? There are 7 punctuation signs, that is comma, semicolon, colon, full stop, question mark, exclamation and quotation mark. Students, if you have any doubts in this punctuation and uses of capital letters, you can call and ask me the doubts. I will clear it to you. When the world says give up, hope whispers, try it one more time. I repeat, when the world says give up, hope whispers, try it one more time. Thank you, students.